Hey everybody, welcome back to Dead Car Rescue. You've heard me say on my videos that I'm not a professional at this. I'm not an expert at this. Well, a lot of the times I get my information on what I do to cars and maybe to paint jobs and stuff like that off of the internet. I get it off of YouTube. Channels kind of like mine. But sometimes I don't listen. And sometimes I just think I can do it without watching the whole video. So I don't know where I went wrong, but on the 63 Fairlane that I just got through making my own shine juice for the patina, trying to save some money, I made my own shine juice and I messed up big time. So before you even try to do what I did, stop. Don't do it, because I messed up. I'm going to show you what I done, and I hope I can save you from doing the same thing that I did. Don't sue me. Don't. I don't have any money. I'm broke. I'm barely getting by working on these cars and making these videos. Please don't sue me. And here is what I did. Okay, on the 63 Fairlane video, the paint was cruddy, and I thought I'd make my own patina shine juice. Well, I did, but I did it wrong somewhere along the line. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. I used boiled linseed oil, like it said. I used odorless mineral spirits substitute. So I don't know if mineral spirits and mineral spirits substitute counter-reacted to each other. I don't know. I think this is the culprit right here, because when I mixed this with that, I made this. That is glue. I'm no scientist. I don't claim to be. I'm just a poor boy trying to get by. I made glue. It's wet and it's soft, you know, it's kind of sloppy and sloshy, and you can look in the bottom there. That is the mineral spirits substitute. This was white. This was clear. That's what it looked like when I got through with it. I put it on the car. Okay, yeah, it shines, but it's glue. It's glue, folks. I made glue. I messed up big time. And if you do this, you will mess up too. So please forget everything I said about mineral spirits and linseed oil making a patina shine. I should have bought that stuff and mopped this thing down with it, but no. Now I'm going to save money. And you can see I've got a lot of cleaning to do. I don't know what to take it off. I've tried about 5 different things. I tried pipe cleaner on a little spot. It says it has acetone in it. That don't work. I tried carburetor cleaner. No, this is what I tried. I tried the O'Reilly's carburetor and choke cleaner. Just sprayed a little dab on it. That didn't take it off. I tried water. That didn't do it. I tried wax and tar remover. That didn't do it. I tried vinegar. That didn't do it. Pure oxide. That didn't take it off. I tried soap and water. Nope, that didn't do it either. So then I tried this. I tried reducer. Nope, still didn't take it off. Tried a little Bon-Ami with water and on a cloth. That didn't do it either. So what I did to get it off and get it smooth like it's supposed to be, I worked on this spot for about 15 minutes, sanding it. And you can see I've got down into the primer. And that's I don't know what I'm going to do. I just don't know what I'm going to do, because I even mopped that stuff on the chrome and down through here on this white. I did the whole car that way. I got to get that stuff off. Somehow or another, I got to find something to get it off. Don't know what I'm going to use, but I'm going to go buy some acetone and try that, because you can see it, folks. It globs up. Do not do this. Whatever you do, do not do this. I see the big channels, they got these disclaimers on the front that says, warning, I'm not an expert, I'm an idiot. Do not do what I do. And I know why they say that, because I'm an idiot. Do not do what I do, because that's what I did and I messed up. Now, I'm going to post this thing as quick as possible. That video has been out about 24 hours, maybe 30 hours, and hopefully none of you got out there and tried this on your car. So I don't think I'm shooting myself in the foot by telling you folks I messed up, because, you know, like I said before, don't sue me. If you sue me, I ain't going to have nothing. I ain't going to have the money to buy Shine juice. I'm not going to be able to afford that, because you're not going to get anything anyway. You might get one of my old junk cars or something like that. But I don't have anything for you to get. So be easy on me, guys. All I can say is I'm sorry. And tune in next time, and we'll mess up on something else together. But don't do what I do. I'm an idiot. From Dead Car Rescue. God bless y'all. See you on the next video.